Now I am talking about footnote, comment, and placemark. Go to 4D review, footnote, select footnote. Click on any corner. You can see the coordinates of the corner. Now you can add anything. You can delete these coordinates and put any text here. You can put a name. Okay. Now go to footnote and comment. Here also you can write anything. By default it is showing the length of the element. You can put a name of, of this comment. Go to comment, place mark. Click any pair. By default it is showing the length. You can delete and put any nomenclature text. Footmark is used for marking any 3D element. So you can put nomenclature ABCD or 1, 2, 3, 4. I am putting A. Put a name. You can see this column marked as A. This is called Placemark. You can edit, modify or delete all of these footnote comments and Placemark. Go to 3D view properties and (3D) notation. You can off any comment, footnote or placemark, or you can edit also. You can change the text color, text height, border, background, everything you can control from this property bar. Now you can save all these activities as a image. Go to 4D review and save as image. You can change the JPG quality, low, average, normal, good. By default it is high. You can browse the path. Save. OK. Open the comment sheet. This is the image that I created.